Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine having the power to bring your most vibrant ideas to life with a printer that combines speed, precision, and incredible color accuracy. That's exactly what we're exploring today with the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-350 36-inch Color Inkjet Printer, and I'm super excited to share all its amazing features with you. First off, let's talk about the incredible value you get when you purchase this printer from CES Imaging. Not only do you get an amazing device, but you also receive $300 of extra ink included, which is a fantastic bonus for anyone looking to get started right away without worrying about running out of ink anytime soon. This is a huge benefit for users, as it means you can print to your heart's content, whether you're a professional or just someone who loves to create, without the initial concern of additional costs for ink cartridges. Another key feature that really stands out with this printer is the 2-year on-site warranty. This is not just a standard warranty, it's a commitment to your satisfaction and the durability of the product. Knowing that you have this level of support gives you peace of mind, allowing you to focus on what matters most, creating stunning prints without worrying about what might happen if something goes wrong. And with CES Imaging being a Canon Platinum reseller, you can trust that you're in good hands, getting genuine products and expert service. The Canon imagePROGRAF TM-350 is also a turnkey solution, meaning it comes with everything you need to get started, including the ink and print head. This is incredibly convenient, as it eliminates the hassle of having to source these essential components separately. Plus, the fact that it's designed to be a complete package ensures that all parts work seamlessly together, optimizing your printing experience. Whether you're printing architectural designs, posters, or any other large format documents, this printer is ready to go right out of the box. In terms of performance, this printer is a powerhouse. With the ability to print at 3.2D size pages per minute, you can quickly produce high-quality prints. This speed, combined with its impressive color accuracy and resolution, makes it perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. Imagine being able to churn out vibrant, detailed prints in no time, whether for work, a project, or just for fun. The efficiency and quality this printer offers can really transform your workflow and open up new possibilities for your creative projects. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-350 36-inch Color Inkjet Printer is an outstanding device that offers a unique blend of quality, speed, and value. With its included extra ink, comprehensive warranty, and turnkey design, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to elevate their printing capabilities. So, if you're ready to take your printing to the next level, find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this incredible printer. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock your full creative potential and bring your ideas to life in the most vibrant, detailed way possible.